Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change LUT node strength and opacity in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you want fine-tuned control over your color grading, allowing you to dial in the exact look you're going for without the LUT being too overpowering. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you've got it running, direct your attention to the bottom of the interface where you'll see several workspace options. Click on Color. This takes you into the color grading workspace where all your color correction and creative grading happens. Now for this tutorial, I have a sample node here that already has LUTs applied to it. You'll be working with your own nodes, but the process remains exactly the same. To begin adjusting the strength and opacity of your LUT, click directly on the node that contains it. This selects the node and makes it active for editing. Next, look over at the Builder tool panel. This is where you'll access the deeper controls for your node. Click the key icon within the Builder tool. This icon unlocks additional parameters that let you manipulate how the LUT interacts with your footage. Once you've clicked the key icon, you'll notice a new section appears called Key Output. This is where the magic happens. The key output settings give you granular control over how your LUT affects the image, and it's the gateway to adjusting both strength and opacity. To adjust the strength of your LUT, focus on the gain slider. By moving the gain up or down, you're controlling how intensely the LUT is applied to your footage. If the LUT feels too strong or dramatic, pull the gain down. If it's too subtle, push it up until it reaches the desired impact. Then, if you want to adjust the opacity of the LUT, turn your attention to the offset slider. The offset essentially controls the transparency of the effect. Lowering the offset will make the LUT more transparent, allowing more of the original footage to show through. Increasing it will make the LUT more dominant. And that's it. You've now gained precise control over how your LUTs interact with your footage in DaVinci Resolve. This workflow is essential for professional color grading, giving you the flexibility to blend creative looks seamlessly without committing to a heavy-handed effect. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.